Happy Thursday morning, folks. We've got 2 trading days left in what's been an extraordinarily volatile trading week. Heading into the open this morning after a big day yesterday, we saw all those tech stocks. We saw the S&P, we saw the Dow Jones, we saw the broader market in general rebound from some of the selling pressure we've seen over the previous couple of trading days. Rebounded in a pretty big way this morning. We're seeing a bit of strength once again as we head closer to the open. Dow Jones is up about 70 points, S&P's up 8, Nasdaq relatively flat. That being said, we've got a big couple of days. We've got Jerome Powell with his final testimony before Congress today, and then tomorrow we have that big February jobs report. Now, February jobs report, we're looking at it 442,000 new jobs they're expecting created. That's compared to a January where we saw 467,000 new jobs created. So another big data point coming out that could add some extra volatility to the week. So just something to keep in mind, something to be aware of, something to be ready for. Again, these markets right now driven predominantly by Ukraine and Russia, which is a very fluid situation. Russia continues to make progress into Ukraine. So things could change at any moment as we get more word out of the East and what's going on there. Now, that being said, Jerome Powell, that testimony before Congress yesterday, it kicked off. He did mention that it doesn't look like they're going to do a 50 basis point increase in the meeting that's coming up 2 weeks from now. Traders have pretty much taken that completely off the table, now looking for a 25 basis point increase. What impact have we seen? Well, we see the 10-year trading around 1.8%. And we've seen dollar strength continue, that euro dollar now at a 1.10 handle on it. So again, a lot of volatility, a lot going on, a lot to discuss. Obviously oil, and again, the big mover today up nearly another 3%, WTI trading at $113. So plenty of opportunities out there to trade some intraday price action. No better place to do it than Nadex. Hope everybody has a great day. I'll check in with you again tomorrow.